Hi, I'm Saurabh. Today I built this application calculator by using React.js, Tailwind CSS. Tailwind set and added this type of functionality: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, clear screen, percentage, and error handling if invalid input is invalid input and division by 0. Right. So let's go to the code first. So here is a app.js where I added a component calculator, and let's go to the calculator. This is a calculator component, which is a completely functional component I built over here. I use a use state function of React to update the state of complete application and handle all errors, like if user added a mistakenly like two different operators, so that time it will show the error. If user divide a number by 0, in that case it will be show the error. And here I use a Tailwind CSS and JSX to build this application. So let's come to the application. Hosted application. The application is hosted on 95 app. So this is a complete view of this application. Right. So if we do 8 into 3, answer 24, minus 4, 20, add 2. If I do this, then it will two different operator I use, it will show error, and this is for clear screen. So this is how complete application will work. Yeah, thank you.